Good morning, Namaskar to my dear students and their parents. As today we will be talking about what and how should we decide the streams for our children. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you that your kids are in the next step of their life as they move from class 10th to 11th. It is not just a change of class, but it is a transition from guided learning to purposeful learning, from following instructions to making informed choices. The decision to choose stream, be it science, commerce, humanities, is often seen as a defining moment. But let me begin by reassuring you, no stream is superior and choice is final.
Morning. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, A Principal's Diary by Poonam Saxena. To get into the insights of a life of a principal, A Principal's Diary will show how the journey continues.
What truly matters is the commitment, curiosity, and consistency your child brings to the journey ahead. So, if you are finding it difficult to continue, you must have started attending the mock classes or the trial classes. So, if at any moment you feel that yes, this thing doesn't ignite passion for me to know more, we can always try to move to the next stream and try it out at least. So unless we have tried, we do not know. What others tell you about that stream is their perspective. It is not your perspective. So dear parents, your role today is not to decide for your child, but to decide with your child. So जो आपको बनना था वो आपके बच्चे को ना बनाए, जो वो खुद बनना चाहता है वो उसे बनने दे. So because we know that every child is unique. Some think logically and enjoy problem solving. Some are creative, expressive, while others are analytical observers of society and human behavior. The right stream is not about marks alone. It is about interest, aptitude, learning style, long-term happiness and growth. Marks may open doors, but passion keeps these doors open. I urge you to avoid comparisons because comparison creates pressure, not progress. The world today offers diverse career opportunities, many of which did not even exist a decade ago. Success is no longer linear. It is personalized and dynamic. Dear students, this is your journey. Class 11th and 12th are not just about preparing for board exams, they are about discovering who you are, building discipline and resilience. So when you do not want to follow the rules, push yourself to follow the rules. So if you are losing somewhere, try and find out why you lost instead of feeling low. So that will make you prepared for any kind of setback in life, because we all know life is not a bed of roses. It is the way how we look at it. The problems will come in life. If we are persistent, if we are resilient, we will be able to overcome all. Learning how to balance academics with life skills, as I shared. So when you are given group projects, try to enhance your communication skills, collaboration skills, and definitely IT skills are very important. Even if it's a skill subject added to your choice of subjects, try and give it your best. Not look for shortcuts. So remember, it is okay to feel confused. It is okay to take time to understand yourself, to understand what your strong points, what your weaknesses, what your interests and aptitudes are. Even if you have interest but you do not have the aptitude, do not choose that career. And if you have the aptitude and no interest, then also do not choose that career, because in a long term you will consider it as a job only and feel frustrated after some time. And it is also okay to change path if needed. So try and explore, find out a guide, find out a mentor, explore different career avenues. And my dear parents, I want to tell you, I don't know why we Indian parents, we shy away from career counseling. We say हमें पता है, हमारी family में ये है, हमारी family में वो है. That is perfectly fine. because families also have a great impact on the careers of the children. But one thing which is very important is what the child is deserving, what the child's interest in. So please do not force your choices on them. Let them make their journey for themselves. So as teachers, as parents, as students, let us work together along with the career counselors who will be only guiding us. What are our strengths? Making us aware of our strengths, making us aware of our weaknesses, and making us aware of the various careers and the career paths and the universities and colleges to follow. So this will definitely make an impact and our choice of subjects and career easy. So take as much help as needed to come to a conclusion. So it is better late to be never. So I would like to end this video with a simple thought. Do not ask which stream is best. Ask which path will bring the best in you or your child. So wishing all the students who are aspiring or who are moving to grade 11 and moving for non-attending or dummy schools, please be careful. CBSE is becoming very strict with that, and your parents attending school till 12th class will definitely help your children in their overall development, building the important life skills which cannot be developed later, and there will not be enough opportunities. If you think they will build in the college, it will not, there will not be so many opportunities to build those life skills. So attending school is important and finding the right career path is important. So once again, all the best to your fulfilling, exciting and successful journey ahead in class 11 and 12. So thank you, and I am very sure I will be adding more videos on that. So please like and subscribe my channel for more inputs and more insights on this topic. Thank you.